Weld seams often affect pipe processing, and exposed welds compromise the product appearance. The weld area has lower rigidity and uneven thickness, so avoid it during machining. Traditional weld seam identification mainly relies on color features to locate the weld position, which is affected by inconsistent weld characteristics. Manual intervention and manual line drawing are required during the recognition process to mark the weld trajectory. This wastes labor costs and reduces production efficiency. Riggers uses AI technology and trains models with massive weld image data, launching a brand new AI weld recognition function. Through the images captured by the dedicated weld recognition camera, the trained AI model can accurately identify various types of weld seams. It supports the recognition of various tube types, including square tubes, rectangular tubes, round tubes, oval tubes, and racetrack tubes. Users can independently set the weld orientation. They can also select the option to stop processing if no weld is detected, ensuring processing reliability. If recognition fails, users can upload the failed images, and the model will perform online learning based on the new data. After the image data is trained on the cloud platform, users can update the new recognition model locally via the interface to improve the weld recognition rate. Improve weld recognition rate. AI weld recognition features continuous optimization and learning capabilities, providing a full process intelligent solution from recognition data collection, cloud data screening, and model training to local deployment. Make weld recognition more accurate and efficient.